Welcome to this top floor veranda condo in the prestigious Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. From the back lanai, you'll enjoy elevated views of holes number 10 and 17, along with stunning sunrises in the morning. Step onto the front lanai and you'll be treated to breathtaking sunsets every evening. This home gives you the best of both worlds. Inside, every detail has been thoughtfully designed. Elegant lighting fixtures, a custom backsplash, accent paint, chrome molding, and granite countertops bring a refined touch, while vaulted ceilings create an airy, inviting atmosphere. Golf lovers will be thrilled to know this home comes with a bundled golf membership, giving you full access to one of Southwest Florida's top-rated courses. This is maintenance-free living at its finest, and opportunities like this don't last long. I'm Denise with Homes by the Turgeons. Contact us today and make this resort lifestyle yours.